Today's episode. Kai-Lan calls her dad Yee/grounded. And was inspired by Sham Sundar in Mortal Kombat Fan 188.
Hey Yee, can I go to McDonald's?
No, and don't call me Yee, call me Dad.
But why not? Yee.
Because Dad is more respectful. Call me Dad. If you call me Yee again, you're grounded.
Alright, Yee, I will not call you Yee. From now on I will call you Dad.
Oh, Oh my! Fuck! King God, Kai freaking idiot! Moron retarded bald ass father calling Len. How freaking dare you call me Yee? You know that isn't respectful. That's it. You're grounded for 407,638,738 years. Go to your room. Right now.
Why me?
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe for more videos. That's all for now. This is me, signing off. And as always, see you later and have a nice day.